भारतीय वायुसेना प्रमुख एपी सिंह ने बताया कि पाकिस्तान की तरफ से भारत की जेट गिराने के दावे सिर्फ मनोहर कहानियां जैसी हैं। अगर उनके पास कोई सबूत है तो फिर दिखाए। भारत ने उनके 5 फाइटर जेट को तबाह किया है, जिसमें F-116 और J-117 भी शामिल है। ऑपरेशन सिंदूर को लेकर एयर चीफ मार्शल एपी सिंह ने कहा, भारतीय सेना ने पाकिस्तान में 300 किलोमीटर अंदर घुसकर हमला किया। पहलगाम अटैक के बाद हमने तय किया कि उन्हें इसकी कीमत चुकानी होगी। सेना को खाली छूट दी गई है और हमने सटीकता से हमला किया। बाद में पाकिस्तान खुद युद्ध विराम के लिए आगे आया। ये महत्वपूर्ण जानकारी आपको दे दे इस वक्त की। पाकिस्तान की 4 F-16 मार गिराया। साथ ही एयर चीफ मार्शल एपी सिंह ने इसको लेकर एक बड़ा स्टेटमेंट दिया है।
Pakistan losses are concerned, I think it was very clear, it was clearly spelled out in the initial debriefs also, that we have struck a large number of their airfields, and we've struck a large number of their installations, and what we have gathered from whatever int reports we have got is that on ground, because of our strikes, there have been radars at least 4 places, command and control centers at 2 places, runway, of course, damaged at 2 places. Then 3 of their hangars in 3 different stations have been damaged, and in that hangar as well as on tarmac, we have signs of one C-130 class of aircraft, one AEW&C class of aircraft, and at least 4 to 5 fighter aircraft, most likely F-16, because that base happened to be F-16, which would have been under maintenance that time. Along with that, one SAM system, which has been destroyed. And so these are the strikes that, the destruction that has taken place on ground by our strikes. And as far as air defense part is concerned, we have clear evidence of one long-range strike, which I talked about, more than 300 kilometers, which happens to be either an AEW&C or a SIGINT aircraft. Along with that, 5 fighters, that high-tech fighters of between F-16 and JF-17 class is what our system tells us.